Hey everyone, Stefan again from firealarm.com. In this video, I will go into more detail and explain our first new service offering, Fire Alarm System Pre-Maintenance Inspection Services. If you missed it, firealarm.com just announced our offering of brand new fire alarm and fire safety inspection, maintenance, and review services. These services all arrive in addition to our expertise in procuring currently manufactured and legacy fire alarm and fire safety parts. Our pre-maintenance inspection service is aimed at those individuals that need their fire alarm system evaluated, reviewed, repaired, and made trouble-free. This inspection would be performed before your regular semi-annual maintenance is scheduled. It is extremely important that before any maintenance is performed on any fire alarm system, that your fire alarm system is completely trouble-free, free of faults, troubles, code violations, etc. If you have troubles, supervisory issues, or alarms on your system, by utilizing our team of certified and knowledgeable fire alarm technicians, we can provide you with the peace of mind knowing that your fire alarm system will be operating flawlessly. Firealarm.com will provide a complete status report as well as a detailed repair quote tailored specifically to rid your system of any faults that we may have discovered. We believe that our pre-maintenance inspection can be an entryway for a sense of security that can only be found with a fully functional fire alarm system. If you are interested in this pre-maintenance inspection in order to prepare your building and fire alarm system, you can visit firealarm.com/services, fill out all the applicable information, and we'll be in contact with you as soon as possible. Your security and safety will always be our #1 priority. Check out some of our other videos, as well as our next video detailing some of our other service offerings. Thanks for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.